Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Future of CAD. Today I am presenting the new video, that is how to make elbow in Catia V5 software. Come, let's get into the video. Here when I open the Catia software, the interference to be look like this. First we have to go to start menu and to select the part. Here enter the name of the part and click OK. After that, graphical area appears. Here, go to the sketch and select the plane and draw a vertical and horizontal line and give the dimension for that. After that, provide the fillet radius. Once all dimension completed, exit the workbench. Then create the plane on the edge of the line. Click OK. After creating the line, select that plane and draw a circle and give the diameter of that circle. Once dimensions completed, click on OK and exit the workbench. Here our sketch is completed. After that, go to rib option and select the profile and select the center curve. Click OK button. Here go to the sketch and select the same plane, draw a central circle. Draw a circle of radius 210. Click OK. After that, exit from the workbench. Here we follow the same process. Go to rib option, select the profile and central curve. After completing, click OK and exit the workbench. So now the elbow is 70% is completed, remaining end holder is pending. Let's draw now. Here go to sketch and select the end part and draw a central rectangle like this and give the dimension. Here I add thickness here by using pad tool. Here I forget to give the projection of the center line. Again go to the sketch and select inner dia of the elbow. Once inner dia is projection, our elbow end should be like this. Similarly, we can draw other side of the elbow. Once both the holder is completed, our model should be look like this. See the cut section of the elbow. After that, we make a hole on the ends of these holders. Here just select the hole and select the surface of the holder. Just give the dimensions of the hole. Once the single hole is completed, make a pattern of that. Here our whole pattern is completed. Similarly, we can do other side of the holder. Once opposite side holes pattern also completed, go to the part and update all. Here, don't forget to give the chamfer of the ends. So finally our model is completed. I hope you understand this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel The Future of CAD. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.